Hello everyone, it's Sama here, back to you with a new dish. Well, I'm pretty sure that you must not be believing the title. Yes, it's the first time you'll be watching the Italian dish tiramisu being made in Bengali style. In this recipe, I'll be taking the theme of tiramisu of dipping cakes in coffee and arranging it in layers of cream. Here I'll be using Mary biscuit instead of cakes, and I'll be making the cream mixture on the stove without using any ready-made whipping cream or mascarpone cheese. And the biggest twist in this recipe is that I won't be turning it into a solid form. Rather, I'll be keeping it in somewhat liquid form, as we Bengali people like our sweet dish in that form. So let's go on and check out how to make this sweet dish. First, in a pan we take 2.5 cups of milk. And one thing to say that the stove is still turned off. Here I have a mixture of 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed with about 1 tablespoon of milk. Then I'm giving it a slight mix. Here adding in half cup or aspartame sugar. Now after giving it a good mix, we turn on the stove. Now I'm adding half cup of condensed milk and again giving it a mix. Now look at that. Our milk has come to a boil and it has formed a creamy texture. Since I won't be solidifying my dish, so I'm turning off the stove now. On the other hand, I have about 1/4 cup of hot water, adding 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder and aspartame sugar. Now I'm giving it a good mix. Now we are at our final stage. Here I have taken 20 pieces of Mary biscuit. I am dipping the biscuits one by one in the coffee mixture and placing it on a serving dish, forming the bottom layer of the dessert with biscuits. Now I'm spreading about 2 teaspoons of coffee to get it smell in midst of the layers. Now I'm giving the second layer with the cream that we made on the stove. We have covered the first layer of biscuits fully with cream and now forming the third layer by placing the coffee dipped biscuits one by one. And now it's time for the last layer of cream. Well, you can make another layer of biscuits and cream if you wish to. I have sprinkled some cocoa powder from the top and now refrigerate for 3 hours or better overnight. And that's it. The easiest, less time consuming, delicious and creamy dessert is ready. I bet you won't repent trying this at home. So you must try this recipe, and if you have any queries, you can surely tell me in the comment box below. Now hoping that you all liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button and do subscribe the channel to stay updated about my new videos. Now lastly, thanking you all for watching the video, hoping to see you again in the next video.